Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to get off the ship wait list. First, keep in mind that ship wait lists are based on local demand. There's no way to skip the line. You'll need to wait for an email from ship when spots open in your area. While waiting, make sure to check your email regularly, including spam or junk folders. In the meantime, you can apply to other delivery apps like Instacart, DoorDash, or Walmart Spark to keep earning. Once ship contacts you, respond quickly and complete any required steps to get activated. And that's it. That's how to get off ship wait list. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.